Toilet paper? Oh, excuse you. What did you use? Spider webs. That's a good one. We're going to come back to that. What did you use? Spiders to go on the webs. Yeah. So one of the ways that we like to decorate our lab for Halloween is indeed to use spider webs. But we actually make our own spider webs. And I brought the stuff that we use to make it with me. You want to see it? All right, let's get ready to check out our spider webs. Behold the amazing coffee cup. You guys don't seem too impressed. Does this look like a spider web to you? No. Who can raise a hand and tell me what is this cup made out of? What do you think? It's not made out of paper. What do you think? Well, it's a cup, yeah. What do you think? Oh, she's thinking. Help her out there. Oh, it's not cardboard. Somebody's gonna know. What about? No. What do you think? What kind of foam? You're on the right track. Help her out. No. What do you know? Oh, who knows? What do you think, Bats? What? Oh, it's not plastic. I'll give you a hint. It's something you're not really supposed to use too much because it's not very good for the environment. Styrofoam. There you go. Yes, indeed. This cup is made out of styrofoam. Now, styrofoam cups are not just made out of styrofoam. When they want to make something like a styrofoam cup, they take styrofoam and they add a whole lot of air. And in fact, this cup has a lot of air in it. And we're going to use chemistry to let the air out. I told you can use chemistry to break things sometimes. And we're going to break the bonds that are holding the air and the styrofoam together. I don't mean break the cup in half. We're going to get down to a molecular level. And we're going to make this styrofoam turn into something that looks like spider webs. I'm going to show you how it works. But to do that, let's see. I've got a couple of styrofoam cups here. In fact, I've got 4 of them. You know what? Let me put on a little bit of people picking music here. I'm gonna need 4 friends to help me with my spider web. Well, she knew what styrofoam was, so that's number 1 right there. Come on up here. All right, let's go, Demon Hunter. Number 2. Let's see. Somebody way back there, Spider-Man. Come on, buddy, get down here. Swing on down. And somebody from this side. How about you, Boba Fett? Come on up here. Yes, here he comes. All right, all 4 of you are gonna get behind the table. Here we go. Here comes Spidey. There you go, come on over here. All right, wait a minute, this wasn't the song I wanted this one. All right, here we go. Now, all 4 of you dance, go. Come on, shake your booties. There you go. All right, we didn't bring them up here for dancing, so we brought them up here to make some spider webs. All right, so the chemical we're gonna use to make this reaction happen is called acetone. Let me hear you guys say acetone. All right, we're gonna start over here with Boba Fett. Sir, what you're gonna do, everybody pay attention, you're gonna hold the cup over the black tablecloth with 2 hands, and you're gonna spin the cup like this. I'm gonna put a ring of chemical around the middle, and you're gonna carefully pull it apart. You got that? You got that? Down there, you got that, styrofoam girl, Demon Hunter? All right, 2 hands, Boba, come on. Here we go. All right, spin the cup, spin the cup. There you go, keep going, keep spinning, keep spinning. There you go, good job, good job. Now slowly pull it apart and hold it up high so everybody can see what happens. Hold it up, oh, looks like a spider web, right? All right, you're perfect for this one. Let's go, Spidey. Here we go. There you go, now slowly pull it apart. Oh, hold it up high so everybody can see. Oh, that looks like a spider web to me. Very good, your turn. There you go, over the table. Here we go, good job, good job. Now slowly pull it apart, go ahead. Oh, very good, last but not least, out over the black. Here you go, turn, turn, turn. Good job, good job, good job. Keep going, keep going. Slowly pull it apart. Oh, all 4 of you hold your cups up nice and high so everybody can see. Give these 4 a nice big round of applause. Here they go. Well done, Fred. Well done. Good job. You guys can leave your cups right on the table. Thank you for helping me out. Go ahead back to your seats. You did awesome. Good job. Good job, Spidey. There you go. All right.